welcome back to my channel. Before we go into the video, I would like to introduce my friends. So will you start first?
Huh? I was trying to copy your British accent.
Okay.
It's your girl Bira. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy.
Guys, my name is Tawak.
They will not be thinking you're one in the same game.
I know.
But I am. Hi guys, my name is Tawak. You know.
So today on the channel, guys, we got ourselves plates, hip hop plates of chicken. So everybody's gonna be taking one chicken at a time.
Yeah.
And then when you take one chicken, you have to do a tongue twister.
Yeah.
We have milk, so you know you can calm that thing down. But the last person to touch your milk is the winner. So the challenge is who is going to win. Team, who are you? Before you start watching the video, go down there and comment.
Hashtag Team Tower.
Hashtag Tiamaka.
Bira.
Rock, paper, scissors. I crushed you.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, I should say go first.
No, I did not. The plan is who.
This right here.
So recite the first one.
I'll say 3 times.
Yeah.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick?
Eat again before you start reciting.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers?
Actually, I don't want to drink milk.
No, did Peter Piper pick?
How can I cram in a clean cream can? How can I cram in a clean cream can? How can I cram in a clean cream can?
Somebody needs to just drink this milk right now. Let's end the video here.
SHEENA leads, SHEILA needs. SHEENA leads, SHEILA needs. SHEENA leads, SHEILA needs. Yeah.
It's not me, but okay. I cannot pronounce the words in that line. The 33 thieves thought that they trailed the throne throughout Thursday. The 33 thieves thought that they trailed the throne throughout Thursday. The 33 thieves thought that they trailed the throne throughout Thursday.
And you can, a can, others can, a can, a can. And you can, a can, others can.
Like
Can
you
can,
like
a
this,
can.
that's
Can you can, a can, others can, a can.
Lips are burning, man.
SETH that SAINSBURY'S sells socks. SETH that SAINSBURY'S sells socks. SETH that SAINSBURY'S sells socks.
The girl says still. I said okay. 6 slick swams. 6 slick swams. 6 slick. Wait. 6 slim swams swam swiftly southwards. 6 slick swam swiftly southwards.
If I had this one swapped by SOUTHWARDS that is there.
So this is not the time.
I'm gonna take the middle one. Don't tell her not to put too much, but she did. But yeah.
Bira is coming through for us.
Clean cram, in a clean cram. Clean cram, in a clean
Guys,
cram.
I'm burning. Did you know that this girl? She didn't come.
6
Huh?
bricks with picks and 6.
Nobody will have one thing you say. I don't laugh. I said,
By the time they see the way we're pronouncing some things, they'll be like,
I know, they'll be like,
these people want to
they'll be like,
school.
oh my god.
guys, it's the pepper. It's the pepper. We can actually speak English, guys. It's our first language. Okay. It's me next. Already. Okay.
I'm beginning to sweat on my head.
I said my hair is sweating. When you write a copy, you have the right to copyright the copy you write.
When you what?
When you write copy, you have the right to write copyright the copy you write.
Goblin,
Gorgoyles, GOBBLED, GOBBLINS, GOBBLING, GORGOYLES, GOBBLED, GOBBLING, GOBBLIN, GORGOYLES, GOBBLED.
Right here, Mish. Tell us now.
I'm a Yoruba girl.
Yeah.
I'll be back with pepper.
My mom's anniversary is in April.
Anna, whose anniversary?
Andy.
Is that what you said just?
Oh, I said Anna 90th anniversary.
So what say you? Oh, Bira.
Anna 90th anniversary is in April.
If you pick any of them, you played yourself.
I think we can all say cheers to this.
Let's cheers.
Let's just say
My eyes turning me.
cheers to a beautiful collaboration.
Cheers to a beautiful collaboration, to a beautiful year, to
Yeah.
a year of growth.
Yeah.
On both your Instagram, YouTube,
Amen.
and my YouTube. Cheers.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's like downing everything.
Choking on it.
Ah. Hey! For you to what I've done, Lord. Lord, look at me. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.
Ah, my nose.
Make sure you subscribe, you like, and you share with your friends, your families, and foes to know what has been blessed. Anyways, guys, remember to stay glued, but don't stress. Stay tuned for more updates. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Oh boy. Jesus.
Focus.
Come on. Let's make magic. We can't make magic like this. Come
But we
on.
can make bows.
It's not me you want them to offend me. You will not win.